We've got a special project working on today. So, yeah, the GTI. You remember that GTI I painted? She's nasty, nasty, nasty. Actually, you know what? It's not as bad as it looks. It's just been sitting here for over a year since the accident. You know, we replaced the subframe. He finally bought the rims and the tires, so we're gonna put them on. We're gonna roll it out, and then we're gonna change the tie bar right here. No, a tow bar, or no, what's it called?
Tie rod.
A tie rod. Tie rod. So we're gonna. It should start. I mean, I started it a couple of months ago, then it started up with no problems. So we're just gonna see if we can roll it out, put the wheels on, and we're gonna work on the tie rod. And it should technically be drivable after that. But look at how sad this thing looks. Oh my god.
God dang.
Hey, it's squeaky clean inside.
I just saw a bunch of dust fly over.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's just still clean on the inside, like nothing.
No rats in there?
I don't see any yet. Yeah, the keys are in here, so we should be okay. Yeah, go ahead and open the hood. Yeah, the GTI is not that bad. It's actually not bad at all. She just needs to be clean on the outside, and it should be fine again. I mean, we just go do another smog, and it should be registerable. It is smog legal. It is smog legal. Okay, he's gonna open the front hood if he remembers how. You don't remember?
No. Oh, I saw the button. Yeah. It's been a while. All right.
It's got.
Damn.
Yeah. She looks bad. Let me see that. Yeah, let me see that. Holy moly. Whoa.
Yeah, it's been sitting on there. There's spider webs and shit.
Oh my god. Yeah, there's a lot of dust. And spider webs. Careful with the black widows. Yeah, we got like a black widow problem here. Okay, anyways. We're gonna put the battery on. It should start. And we should be able to put the wheels on in the back. No wheels right now. They're identical to this, so she's gonna look bitchin'. Well, she always looked bitchin' with those wheels. Battery's in. Let's see if I can get it started. This is neutral. I don't want this thing to roll. On these, because they're cis, you have to like cycle the key like 10 times if they've been sitting for a very long time, so it bleeds out all the air. And I can hear the pump going bzzz, 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 like building up pressure. And that's the reason you do that. Otherwise, it's just not going to start. That should be enough. There you go. Took a while to get started. Once it bleeds all the air out of the lines of the injectors, because there's continuous injection. It's somewhere in the middle of fuel injection, electronic fuel injection, and mechanical fuel injection. Somewhere in the middle. So she starts. Oh my gosh, she sounds good. We still have all our gauges. Okay, she starts. We're gonna pull it out. We have to put the wheels on. Yeah, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna put the kitty cat. I call it the kitty cat. The jack underneath the subframe, so we can roll it out because it's got no wheels right now. It's on stands. And there's our wheel. This is one of them. It's a brand new tire, brand new wheel. And the other one is actually the same. One of the wheels that didn't get damaged, but the tire is the one that actually popped. This rim had the wheel that popped, but the rim was undamaged. It was the other one that got damaged when he spun out and hit the side curb, and it broke. It broke. Okay, so it's got a new wheel, same thing. So we're gonna take them out there and put them on. Okay, start pulling it.
Hang on the slider.
It'll slide. Mijo, push. It's coming, see? That's the only way we can push it out.
Push.
It's got no wheels in the back. Just don't hit the fence.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good. As soon as you cross that, mira, right there, ya jalalo pa acá so that you have room to put the wheel on.
Okay, push, please.
You're at that point where you can start making the turn. Keep going.
Did something hit?
No, vente más pa acá, this way.
Okay.
Because we got a lot of room right here. We got a lot of room right here. We need room over there because of the fence.
Push. It's stuck on.
Oh, you're running over a aluminum can.
No, it is.
Yeah. Front wheel. Passenger side.
Fuck that can.
You're
No,
not.
please.
They're gonna run over an aluminum can.
I'm already no bitch. Maybe a little.
She's coming out. Oh boy. This is actually kind of funny. Don't throw out your back
Nah, my leg is tired.
or your legs. Ira, bring it even more this way because you need more room over there to get the wheel on.
Oh, we're gonna do it right here?
Yeah. This is the only place you're gonna be able to do it. Okay, right there. Stop. You got room?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have room on the other side. This is how she looks. All right. Let's put those wheels on. Let's see what's in here. I remember I put all the bolts up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're right here. So we have all our stuff right here for the rear wheels, locks and everything. So let's go ahead and put them on then. One wheel on. Still struggling on this side?
It keeps spinning. I'm trying to put it even.
Okay. All right. She's ready. We got the wheels on. They're tight. They've been torqued. Now we're gonna drop it. Perfect. So technically it should be drivable. Just here, we still need to replace the welded tie rod for the steering. So even though the wheels are not going to be pointing straight, but it's good enough to move around. So we're going to start it, get it out. It's going to get washed here. Oh, there she is. She is going to get washed. The whole family is going to be helping on this endeavor. The paint should be perfect. There's nothing wrong with the paint. It's just really, really dirty. And she sounds really good. The motor, oh my God, it sounds really good. There she is. Ooh. Paint is, like I said, perfect. Wow. You know, she's decent. I didn't think it was gonna, mess up the paint being in storage for that long. I thought this because the cat jumps up here and we thought there was going to be all scratched. Not a single scratch. So there she is, new wheels. She's looking good. This whole front end buried itself inside the side of the road, huh? Little embankment or whatever. So that's all the damage right there. The paint is no longer shiny because it was burying itself. The side marker popped out on that side, so we're gonna have to fix that. Should pop right back in. So but there's no body damage, nothing. So just superficial bumper problems. And I don't remember if this was the tie rod that was bad or was the other one.
Just passenger.
Okay, this tie rod snapped and we just welded it just so we could drive it here, move it around because it was undrivable. And there you go. She's beautiful.
Needs a little light.
I like the tinted windows. It looks bitchin'. We're good. We're gonna go ahead and move it. It's gonna be in the front of the GTI, the new GTI. So basically, that's his new parking spot for the blue bug. It's gonna be the GTI and the GTI. And this is my driveway. Okay, so this is where it's going to spend most of his life now. Apparently, the owner is negotiating with my other son so that he gets, see if he can buy it off him. So the car might actually stay in the family, because we were thinking we're just going to get rid of it because he's got too many cars, yeah. Right?
Too much money.
Too much money on insurance? Oh, these are expensive for insurance.
Plus I need money for a car part for them.
Oh yeah, he's gonna modify this thing even further. Tie rod. Okay, the tie rod is actually in here somewhere in the garage. I don't know where. It's in the box. So we've got that. We just have to put it on. The new wheels look kind of dirty, but it's like a wax thing that they have on them. That's why they look kind of whitish, weird. But everything should be okay. There it is. Yeah, it's not one of that. It's just a rod. There we go. Hopefully it'll fit. We don't have those wrong year thing. I'm pretty sure I selected the correct year for the car. It's power steering, but power steering doesn't work, so we're not using power steering on it. But the sizes for non-power steering and power steering are different. This one's for power steering, which is what we need. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and take that wheel off. And there you go. It's been a while since it's been on the road, so that's why it looks like crap. It'll be fine once we get it on the road. There's our weld job right there. Awesome! It works. Probably, yeah. Anyways, we got to change that up. Oh, that was fast. All right, now we need to get in there. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it doesn't look fun.
That looks like there's no room there. Oh, great.
Well, this came out easy.
Yeah, it did. Alright, so things are actually more critical than we thought, but there's more damage. This bushing right here, there's a round bushing that sits sideways, you know, right here. It's ripped. Totally ripped. It failed. I guess the impact really did a number on it. Let me see if I can get this thing in there so that you guys can see what I mean. So let me move it. See, you can even see where it ripped, where those two match when I push it over. It kind of matches right there. And now it doesn't. So yeah, so there's more damage. We have to replace that bushing, so we're gonna take this stuff off right here. We're gonna disconnect the sway bar, which is up here, yeah, down there. Anyway, we might actually replace the drive shaft. We have the drive shaft; it's brand new. It's just we never installed it. We did that side, but we never did this side. We just being lazy, I guess. And disconnect it from here and disconnect from there, so we can drop the whole arm and take that bolt out. And that should be it. We should be able to drop this whole thing, and then we'll have a lot of room to work on the union, because there's just no room to be able to undo this from the rack and pinion with this thing in, with the lower control arm. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, I got my trusty impact wrench. So we're gonna use that right now.
Yeah, the impact wrench wouldn't fit because of the oil pan. Gotta do a manual. God damn it. There goes my day.
Okay, whatever. I got that one loose. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen those things right there. She came right out after a struggle. And yeah, this thing is ripped. See? You can probably get it out. There you go. She's out. So this is gonna be interesting. We're gonna have to press these out on the press and get new ones.
Damn, so the more work than I thought.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready.
Yeah, I did. This didn't even cross my mind. And that's usually what happens. You find more damage. So we're gonna probably stop right there. We're probably going to replace that thing right there, and then put it all kind of sort of back together, and then just order the parts, and then we'll disassemble it again because we need our garage. Yeah, bugs do not stay outside. Hello?
Nope.
This shit goes outside. 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 Down there. There. Whatever. They're not the same. Okay, so today's was basically a fail and a fail and a fail. Fail after a fail after another fail. Okay, rubber boot is in pretty good shape, so we're not going to worry about that. We'll just swap it off to that one. Well, actually, not that one. We ordered that part. It's only like $14. It's no big deal. So we're going to get... They're just not the same, you know what I mean? Yeah. So they're not going to be here till like in a couple of days, so we're just gonna Mickey Mouse everything back together. We're not gonna tighten it or anything, so we can just take it all apart. So the whole suspension is gonna be slopping on there. So we just want it to be able to drive, so we can take it outside and park it, and then we'll work on it. I don't know when we're gonna work on it because the heat is about to get here. Once the heat gets here, I probably don't want to touch this car. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be too hot. So it might sit for another couple of more months. Damn it. Oh well, that's the way it is sometimes. So we got it all back together. I'm gonna put the wheel back on to this thing, but like I said, we're not gonna tighten it up. See, everything's gonna move. See, everything just moves over there. Everything's just snug. Nothing is tight. This was a fail, but you know, might as well fix it the right way. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix it the right way. And that is pretty much it, muchachos. Sorry, couldn't fix it. She's more broke than we thought. So, adios muchachos and muchachas.